Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will discuss about the importance of noun and how do you identify the noun. Why we why we study noun. Noun is important because if we make the sentences as a subject or object, uh, we must need the noun. So for this reason, we have to know about the noun or the importance of noun, and we have to know how to make it singular to plural. So don't wait. So welcome to our SMA TV Natore Bd. Today we will discuss about the noun. So we know that the name of the place, the name of the person, name of the things, or the members of a class or a group of person, or action of activities or qualities. These are the nouns. For example, person. Milton. This is the name of a person. It may be noun. The place. For example, London. This is the place. And if you think that there is a thing, table. So this is thing. And members of a class. For example, bird. This is the member of a class. It may be dog, doctor, engineer, etc. Group of persons. For example, committee. A group of person. It may be animals, for example, flock. It may be things, furniture, etc. Action or activities, for example, walking. Action of activity. Actions or activity. Next one, we can say that qualities. For example, kindness. Kindness, this is also the quality. So these are the characteristics of the noun. So this is the term of the nouns. But how we can identify, that is, noun indicates the person. For example, drive to driver. So noun indicates persons. Persons. For example, at the last of this word we can see er, that is or, that is ant, that is another is ist. How? For example, er, drive, driver. So we can see that there is a er, that is play, player, write, writer, etc. Next one, or. For example, editor, editor. So or editor at the last. Next one visitor, actor, etc. Ant, assistant, assistant. For example, ant, assistant, we can say that is attendant, etc. Next one ist. For example, scientist, chemist, typist. Okay, typist. So ist, ant. So these are the characteristics of the noun. So we can understand that these are the noun. We can make it in this way, noun. Next one we can say that ity, ity, noun derivated from the adjectives, indicates qualities, ideas, conditions. So noun, so these are the qualities. For example, anc. Next one, importance, important to importance, importance. So anc, in this way we can make the nouns. Permanence, absence. So in this way ity, that is ability, ity, ability. Next one we can say that equality, activity, etc. ness, ness. For example, we can say darkness, 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 darkness. So dark is adjective, but nes added, and then we can make this noun. For example, cloudness, etc. Next one, th, strength, strength, is strength, that is th. Strength is adjective, and th is strength, that is noun. Next one, true, true is adjective, and truth is noun. So th. So these are the system we can make the adjective to noun, or verb to noun, or one part of speech to another part of speech. In this way, if we make the words are increasing in our practical life, then we can speak very easily. So in this is the very easy way to make the words to change, and we can find out these words to singular to plural, or we have to derivate it from one part of speech to another part of speech. So I hope that this is your very much helpful items, and you can practice these things, and you will practice it. And if you like this channel, you will subscribe and like, comment and share. So I hope that you will helpful for us.